It's not fresh cut, it is dry, I believe, but nearly always sawmills lie their arses off to you, and they say it's dry and it's really wet, and so really don't know what's going to arrive. I mean, they can show you, you can go down to the timber yard and say, what, this timber here, unless you see it being loaded, you could end up with anything. So it's a case of wait and see. But even so, it doesn't really matter for the next part of this construction. The next part of this construction is, well, obviously I'm doing still on the stud work. There's a lot of stud work to be done still. But this timber, really, the idea of it is for the top plate, or the Verkhne Abiaske. And I'll take you here and turn you around and show you what I mean. This is the frame of the house here, and you can see. Now, as you can see, the walls, follow my finger, the walls go up. And then you've got the frame. So you've got each frame is a square, or one big square if you like, if you were doing it in one piece. So you've got the Verkhne Abiaske, which is the bottom plate if you like, or the sill, I suppose you'd call it, at the bottom of there. And then you've got the floor, then you've got the wall. Well, on the top here goes exactly the same, basically, is a top plate. So, or Verkhne Abiaske, top Abiaske, top platform, and that goes on top of there, where's my finger is now. There's two layers to go on there, 150 by 50, and then once that's on, then another piece of timber goes on, but it goes on this way on, if you can imagine. These two layers go on like this, and the next layer goes on like that, and they go on the top there, and then the ceiling joists go across there. Now there's no second story here, but even so, there's still going to be ceiling joists where the insulation is going to be, not where the big window is, but around the rest of the house, so kind of a U shape around the house. So that's what this timber is intended for. So I'm hoping that it's dry. If it is dry, it means I can use it straight away. If not, then it's a case of spraying it and using it anyway, because it will dry up there very quickly, and then coming back. But it's going to have the old insulation in everywhere, and I mean everywhere. It's going to be really sealed up tight. That is a classic place for cold to come in, under the floors and the top of the ceiling, so it's got to be really, really done well. So that's the plan, to get all that done, and probably do it a bit at a time. Do a bit of the stud work and a bit of that as well at the same time. Kind of, there's quite a detailed plan of how it goes, and I might insert a plan of the top plate into the video at the bottom here somewhere. So keep an eye out for that. I'll show you how the top plate is laid out. And so anyway, waiting for the timber to arrive, so I'll try and catch it on video when it does arrive.